Hey guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I know I've been a little bit missing in action. I've took a break for like 3 weeks and I've just been busy with uni and work, and I just thought, you know what, Faith, if you're not in the headspace for posting, don't post. So I'm in a very good mood today, and there's been a few questions floating around here and there, lots of people asking me, so I just thought, why not make like a little life update slash little catch up type video just for the people that are rocking with me and just for whoever's interested. So one of the questions that people have been asking me like quite a lot frequently is, how's my dental journey slash teeth journey slash Invisalign braces journey going? And I think it's safe to say that it's going well. I'll add a link to the video up here that I basically addressed my Invisalign journey in, and now I've got the retainers and the braces and it's really going well. Let me come in so y'all can see. That's what my teeth are looking like currently. I've had the retainers in for almost a month. No, actually almost 2 months. So I've had retainers, I've got retainers at the top and then braces at the bottom, and I think it's safe to say that my bottom teeth are literally being pulled in, like they're becoming really cinched. Like I said, I don't know if that's the right word to use, but it's actually getting tucked in really nicely and it's just becoming nice and straight. I'm really happy with how it's looking. Obviously I'm still not finished. The dentist did say that I might have to go until October, but then I went and saw him when 2 days ago, so on Friday, and he actually told me that I might only have to go for another 6 weeks, so that will bring me to like the middle slash end of September. So that's good news for me. When I did go to the dessert shop, one thing I did notice is that I think the sensitivity of my teeth have actually massively increased, because when I was eating the ice cream I was getting a lot of pain in like my molars, so the back teeth. So I don't know, that's one thing for me to watch out. I'll update y'all on that as I go along, like when I make my final Invisalign slash teeth journey video. So that's that. So I think I'm pretty happy, guys. Like my teeth are still quite white. I do think I've started eating a lot more sugary stuff, which I'm gonna try and like cut back on, but overall I'm pretty happy with how things are going and the pace of it, so I can't complain. I couldn't be happier in terms of my teeth. So the point number 2 that kind of keeps coming up quite often is like, what's happening with uni? What am I doing? So yeah, when I started uni, like I didn't like really publicly tell people. It's just on YouTube when I've just not been posting as much, or on Instagram I've just said, oh yeah, I've got uni work to do. But yes, I am in uni. I am doing a nursing degree and I just basically completed my first year. I've only been in uni for 1 year, guys. A lot of people literally think I've been studying for like the past 5-6 years. No, when I got out of college I worked for a while, and then I did do some studies, but then I stopped because of COVID, and then we relocated houses from one part of the country to the next. So yes, I properly started my degree 1 year ago. It's a 3-year degree and I'm not gonna lie, I can't really complain. It has been difficult, but I do think I kind of underestimated myself a lot, and I just thought, I can't do it. Not in that sense, because obviously I know that I'm a smart kid, like I know I'm a smart woman, but at the same time sometimes you do doubt yourself when it comes to academic writing, and I think I just need to not doubt myself as much, because I smashed it. Like, I've got to say, your girl didn't revise for everything, but yeah, I did smash it. I have passed everything. I didn't have to take any retakes, and sometimes I just surprise myself, but I'm so grateful for the opportunities that I've got and just the type of job that I do. I'm just able to reap the benefits of that and just be able to push myself and, you know, progress forward in my career, and I'm so happy for that. And yeah, I'm just looking forward. I know this sounds weird, but I'm actually looking forward to second year. Like, I'm looking forward to it starting and just getting stuck in. Now in September I might be singing a different tune, but at this point, like, I've loved my placements, maybe some more than others, but I had a surgical placement and I'm not gonna lie, I really love surgery. I think at the moment that's the only thing that's like vying for my attention in comparison to A&E. Yeah, like, I love my job. It's just, it just is what it is. It's stressful, don't get me wrong, but the majority of the time I do love it. So that's what's happening. I did have a mind to do medicine, but that's a story for another day. So let's just keep it pushing with the nursing, and I can say that I am happy, very grateful for the situation that I'm in, and just for having the time to be able to do this, because there was a time in life where I was just like, I do not know what I want to do. But things have progressed, and I'm happy, and I'm in a good headspace, and I'm very pleased with her finishing first year, passing everything, getting good grades and smashing it. And although it has been overwhelming and it's been a lot to balance and juggle at once, I think I just decided, oh, now's the time for me to get stuck in with everything, because this was the year that I decided that I was going to go to uni, I was still going to work, I was going to start a business, I was going to start YouTube. And I'm not going to lie, that's a lot of things to take on in a short space of time, but it's only by the grace of God that I've literally been, I cannot complain. Like, what's meant to be for me has been for me, so I've been loving it every step of the way, even though it has been difficult. And like I said, I am looking forward to what September brings, because I've been seeing people with the graduation pics and I'm just like, that's gonna be me. Like, can it please hurry up and be me? So yeah, I'm super happy for that. So this leads me nicely into the third thing that people have been asking me a lot about, and it's basically, Faith, what's happening with Kanuku? What's happening with your business? What's happening with your jewelry business? And the fact of the matter is, like, my degree is going to be #1 priority. Like, after like my relationship with God and everything, my degree and like my family, my degree is going to be #1 priority. So it has been difficult to like balance the business, and I think people that are close to me have recognized this. I have said, I'm pretty sure I've said on YouTube, like in a past video, or maybe on Instagram, I don't particularly like having 2 Instagram accounts. So I have my personal Instagram account, and then I've got my business Instagram account, and then I've got my personal TikTok, and then I've got my business TikTok, and then I've got YouTube, which I just like posting whatever I feel like posting. And I've said I'm not really gonna specifically do a niche type thing when it comes to YouTube, just because I'm very comfortable. And I made this, yes, it was for my business, but I just decided that I wanted it to be like a creative outlet for me to have now that I've taken on so much, and especially because I'm at uni. So I've got so many serious things happening, which is the business, and then uni, and then my job, which is very serious. All these things are very serious to me, and they're all very important, and I'd like to come out and excel and do very well in all of them. So I needed like a little creative outlet. I was going to the gym here and there, but I wasn't going to the gym consistently enough. So I thought, if I had the gym in this hand and then I had YouTube on this hand, I can, you know, I can balance. I've got something for my mental health, and I know I won't get burnt out completely. I still have like an outlet. And I must say, like, I've literally been loving YouTube. Like, soon it'll be a year since I've been making videos. Is it going to plan? Maybe not as quickly as I wanted things to go, but I'm super happy. Like, I literally cannot complain. But let me not go off on a tangent. The main thing, like I said, is my degree, but I do want to start doing some more businessy type things. I've got a few weeks off for the summer, not as long as everyone else, just because of how long my degree is, and it's like a placement type, practice type degree. So I do have to work and I do have to study. So it just depends on how much time I've got over the summer. If I can do some stuff for the business, then by all means I will be doing stuff for the business. I have already started like working on it, but then obviously when you fall off of like social media, all the algorithms punish you. So that will also be something else that I'll have to contend with, but I'm gonna try and like just carry on pushing my email marketing. So for those of you that have subscribed, and for those of you that have been very active like in finding out about my business and have supported my business, keep your eyes peeled, because my aim is, even if I can't do a lot over the summer, when it gets to like autumn / Black Friday / Christmas, I do want to do like some special sales. And maybe, I don't 100% know if I'll have enough time, because obviously second year of uni will be a lot more intense. I would hopefully like to maybe launch a new collection, so maybe keep your eyes peeled for that. And obviously I would like to get rid of some stock, so I will literally be doing some sales. Like, I'll be doing some sales. I want to change around my room, so I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of stuff. I might also be like getting rid of some clothes on Depop or Vinted, maybe I'll put my link down below, or definitely follow me on Instagram so y'all can get the links in case y'all just want to get like some clothes, because I'm just gonna be selling some stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else that people have been asking me. So I've talked about my teeth. Dental journey's going great, uni's going great, first year's finished, on to the next. And then the last thing that I talked about was my business. So obviously I have been MIA like for the last few months with my business, but I'm becoming more back into like my creative headspace in like that vicinity, and I'm wanting to release more collections, hopefully towards autumn potentially, but I will be having sales now. I think I've covered pretty much everything that people have been asking me like recently. And yeah guys, I don't think there's much else to say. Like, I'm just pushing on with what I'm pushing on as per usual. If you know me in real life, I'm literally a busy person. I'm always working on something, so stay tuned for that. Whatever the future brings, I don't know, but it's all in God's hands. I'm gonna stop waffling, and I hope you all like this little catch up type video. If you've got any suggestions on what you want to see, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below guys. And don't forget to hit that red button, because we're trying to grow. We're trying to hit, let's see, we're trying to hit 200 subscribers, because we passed 100. We're trying to hit 200. So let's get it guys, let's get it. Anyways, until next time, bye.